In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a flipbook on Squarespace. Here's the plan. We'll create a fresh page in Squarespace, add a clean section to hold our content, build a flipbook using Elfsight's widget builder, copy the embed code, and place it into a code block on your new page. Then we'll save, adjust the block's size, and publish. I'll walk you through each click so you can follow along confidently. Start on your Squarespace account dashboard. From there, click Dashboard to open your site's list, then choose Go to Website for the site where you want the flipbook to live. Inside the site editor, open the website panel if it's not already visible, and then go to Pages. This is where we'll create the place for your flipbook. Click the plus icon to add something new. Choose Add Blank, so you start with a clean slate, then select Page. Place that new page inside main navigation so it's easy to access on your site. You'll see the new page appear in the list. Click it to open the page, and then click Edit to enter the page editor. Inside the editor, add a new section to hold the widget. Click Add Section, pick Add Blank to avoid any extra layout that might conflict with the embed, and add the section. Keeping it blank makes the code easier to position and prevents unexpected spacing. Now we'll switch over to Elfsight to create the flipbook itself. On the Elfsight site, click Explore Widgets, and in the search box, type Flipbook. Select the Flipbook widget from the results. Click Create Widget for free, then choose a template you like under Select a Template to start with. Click Create Widget, and when prompted, continue with this template. Next, choose Add to Website for free. When you're ready, click Publish. If you see Plan Options, select the free option to proceed. You'll then get access to the embed code. Click Embed Code, and then click Copy Code so it's ready for Squarespace. Head back to your Squarespace page editor. Inside the blank section you added, click Add Block. From the block options, choose Code. Open the block to edit it. You may see a placeholder like Hello World in the editor. Go ahead and delete that so the field is empty. Now paste in the flipbook code you copied from Elfsight. This places the widget right inside your page's content. Click Save to apply the changes. With the code in place, you can fine-tune how it appears in your layout. Click the code block, then drag it into position within the section and adjust its width so it looks balanced with your page design. The flipbook's own settings control its internal dimensions, but the block's placement and width in Squarespace determine how it flows on the page. When it looks good, click Save again. To wrap up, click Exit to leave the editor and view your page. Your flipbook should now load right on the page you created. If it takes a moment to appear, give it a second. Embedded widgets sometimes need a brief moment to initialize. If you make any changes to your widget later in Elfsight, just publish them there, and your Squarespace page will reflect the updates automatically. That's it. You opened your site from the Squarespace dashboard, created a blank page and section for a clean canvas, built a flipbook in Elfsight by selecting a template and publishing it, copied the embed code, placed it into a code block on your new page, saved your work, adjusted the block's size and placement, saved again, and exited the editor. Follow these exact clicks, and you'll have a polished, interactive flipbook integrated seamlessly into your Squarespace site.